Hello everyone, welcome to part 23 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. Okay, and in this video, we will work on my photos section once again, my photos for the users once again. And in last video, you have seen that we able to add user able to add photos. We have added that provision for the user to add his photos in my photos section. Okay, so now we will add here delete provision for the user so that the user can delete his photos as well. And we are going to delete his photos from the photos folder as well. Okay, these photos that the user has added. Now we are going to remove these photos from the folder as well as from the table. Okay, so this thing we are going to use we are going to add in part 23 of dating website. Okay, so in part 23 of dating series, we will give provision to users to delete their photos in my photos page, and we will also remove photos from photos folder as well as from table. Okay, and we will use PHP Unlink and Laravel File function for deleting the photo from the photos folder. Okay, so let's start working on this thing. And first of all, see, we are going to update this step 3.blade.php file. Okay, so we will update step 3.blade.php file. Okay, so here first update step 3.blade.php file to add delete button. Okay, so delete button we will add here. To add delete button with every photo that user added. Okay, so for adding button we can take help from Bootstrap. Okay, so we can search here like Bootstrap button. Okay, we can search keyword like Bootstrap button and we can open this website. Okay, and here are various buttons are given that we can use here. Okay, so just search this Bootstrap button in Google. Okay, and open below link. Okay, so we can add button from here. And first let me update this step 3, and here our photo, and now here we can add this danger button here. We'll check once, see how the button will look like. See, it seems to be fine, and here we can add delete. Okay, so user can delete the image by clicking here. Okay, so other attributes are also given, like small button we want. So this small button we want button, small button. This one can add, and can see that if small button appear or not, and see if not appeared. Uh, you can check what's here. We can exactly can give this same and can see. No, it is not updating. So there is another way. So we can define the button width and height. Let's see what will happen. Okay. So here, it is not fine. You just need to search on Google and you will get everything. And I'm just checking that why this one is not working, and mm, um, it is asking to use button group. Okay, I can use and can see once it's still big enough. Still, okay, no issue. We can continue with these buttons, and I hope that this thing you can do at your end. I am not so good in CSS in Bootstrap, so I left this task uh, for you, and you can update this button. Okay, I hope that you can update. So in the meantime, I am going to continue with uh, our this button only, and I'll try to update, make it more close. Okay, like this. For it to scan like this. Okay, it's your wish. Okay, now see, I'm going to add functionality for the button, and see these button that we have added, we need to add the href and one route also we will create along with this button, and instead of p tag we require here a tag we require, because we are going to make this button a link. Okay, and one route we will use, like delete photo, we will add here delete photo, and the photo itself we will send here like this photo. We are going to send this photo here, and like this. Okay, so uh, like this we can add at least, and you can see here, you can see that it is going to have this image with delete photo, and now we can create a route. Okay, for delete. Okay, so in simply create route, create get route for delete photo. Okay, with photo parameter in web.php file, like like we always know that how we can create route. Very simple route get. Okay, then route name will come here, delete photo. After that photo comes again. Okay, and then close this and then start user controller at the rate of delete photo, like this. Okay, so we like this. So now uh, this one we can add first. Okay, so we can add in web.php file. We can add here after the view. We can add here. Okay, so now we can continue. Now we can add. We can create function delete photo function. Okay, so create delete photo function. Okay, create delete photo function in users controller. Okay, in users controller to delete the photo from both table and folder. Okay, so now first of all, I'm going to do like this, and first we are going to delete from table. Okay, that is very simple. Delete from table, and first we will add query, delete query. Okay, add delete query to delete photo from photos table, user underscore photos. Yeah, user underscore photos table. Okay, so let's work on this one. Uh, User controller. Okay, so we can add step 3. Here we can add public function. Here we can add like this, delete photo. Okay, so photo we are sending, so photo every time will come here, so we can add like this. Okay, so first of all, we are going to have user ID. Okay, so user ID, this auth, we can have the user ID like this. Okay, we can check also, and we will also come to know that it is reaching here. Also we can check that photo is coming fine here or not. So I can do like this. Okay, so now we can check here that after clicking on delete, that photo is coming fine. Okay, it is coming fine photo, and after that user ID is coming. So with both photo and user ID, we will make the query. Okay, so let's do it now. I can remove these things. Okay, so not required. So we can use like this. Okay, so after getting user ID, we are going to now add user photo. I'm going to add now. We can write where user ID. The ID we already got. Okay, dollar user ID. Okay, and along with that photo. Okay, photo will be like dollar photo that we are sending here. Okay, and you can add delete here. Okay, so after deleting, so we can return the user back to photo space. Here we can write return redirect back like this. Okay, with slash message success. Okay, so that right photo has been deleted successfully. Okay, so now we are just deleting the photo from the table, and we can check here. See, and I am going to open the table as well. Okay, so this ID we will see one, and I'm going to open that user photos table, and here the user ID 6 is there, only one ID. So user ID 6 is having two photos. Okay, so I am going to delete one photo. I am going to delete, and but we are not deleting from the folder. Okay, so I am clicking on delete. Okay, and see here photo has been deleted successful message is coming, and one photo has been deleted, but it is not deleted from the folder, but it must have been deleted from the table. Okay, see, it has been deleted from the table, so it is working fine as far as the table is concerned, but we also want to delete the photo from folder as well. Okay, so now it's fine, we have deleted the photo from the table. Now we will delete from folder. Okay, delete from photos folder. Okay, and here we have done delete from user photos table. I can write here photos table. Okay, delete from photos folder. Now with PHP unlink function. Okay, so first of all we are going to use unlink function to delete the photo from photos folder. Okay, so only very simple line we are going to add here. Okay, so here I will also write here this. So here we will write unlink. Okay, very simple unlink, and after that path of the photo along with the photo will come. So we will check the path here of the photo. Very simple. Okay, so we can check the path, and we'll add this path starting from images. Okay, here we can add, but we need to add, we need to correct the slashes must look like this. Okay, so after photos we can add one slash more, and after that it is closing, that is fine. After that dot will come, and after dot photo will come like this. Okay, so now we can add semicolon. So this is the unlink function. We are just adding unlink along with the photo path and photo name, and now we can check once again. Now we can delete, going to delete this photo, another photo, that is the dummy photo that we want to delete, and this time we will see that the photo must delete from the folder as well and from table as well. Okay, so we can check this one, and now I'm clicking on delete, and let's see that yeah, now the photo has been deleted here. Now I'm going to check the table. The photo has been deleted from the table as well. Now I'm going to check the folder. That dummy photo has been deleted from the folder as well. So it is fine, it is working fine. This is the unlink function of PHP that is working very fine. And now we can add the photos once again. There is one more function that we want to use, that Laravel function. Okay, so we want to use that function as well, and see here now 3.3. Now once again we are going to delete from photos folder. Okay, so this time we are going to delete the photo with Laravel, and that one I am saying discussing with file delete. Okay, with file delete function. Okay, this one, this function. Okay, and with this function we are going to delete the photo once again, and let's see if we can able to delete the photo, and here it will come like, okay, so let's see. So I'm going to comment this one, and now one more comment I will add here. Okay, like this. Okay, so add the space here so that it will be more clear to you. And now the same thing I am going to add here. Okay, so now here I am going to make change. Here I am going to add that function name. Okay, see here that we need to add here file, then double, then delete. Okay, like this. Okay, then path will come. Okay, so now we can try this one, and we'll make sure that it will work. I am refreshed. Now I'm clicking on delete once again, and we'll see that if it will delete. Oh, sorry for that, and that error has come. To resolve this error, we need to update header statement. Okay, so that is required for this. So add the header statement that is necessary. So update header statement. Okay, uh, statement. Okay, here go to part 4. Find add header statement. Issue come. Okay, so this issue can come, and we need to add below statement at top of user controller file. That statement will look like use file. Okay, so we can now use this one, use file. Like this. Okay, now we can refresh once again, and we'll see if it will work fine. See, the image has been deleted with name with okay, so but it has not been deleted here, so we can check once again. I am going to delete this image now, another image, and we'll see if this image will also delete. Yeah, now it is working fine. So now we are going to add this image once again, and the image now it has been added. So this image I'm going to manually move, and we'll add one more image now. Okay, now see, I'm going to delete once again. Both the images are there, and now I'm going to delete, first going to delete this one. Okay, blue image. Okay, that has been deleted. See, now I'm going to delete this image. Okay, now see, that has been deleted as well. So it seems to be perfect. Now everything is working fine. It's able to delete from the Laravel file delete function as well. So from the folder as well as from the table itself. Okay, so now everything seems to be perfect. Okay, so please check in video. Photo get deleted both from table as well as from folder. Okay, in next video we will add sweet alert. Okay, sweet alert confirmation jQuery library that will the user before deleting the photo. The user for confirmation before deleting the photo. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. I hope everything is clear now, and you able to add photos as well, means and can able to delete as well. And here you can able to access your photos as well. And this section we will also make in admin panel in future videos, and we will also able to set the default photo as well, and enable disable kind of feature as well, because these photos that admin is going to approve these photos, only then it will be visible to other users. That also we will do in our future videos. But in next video we are going to add tweet alert confirmation box, because so that user must not by mistake delete his photo. So that tweet alert confirmation box is really attractive and will serve the purpose, so that such mistake will not happen. Okay, so let's wait for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time.